If you want to get Office 365 with 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you how to choose the right Microsoft 365 plan, sign in safely, complete the setup, and confirm that your OneDrive storage has been upgraded. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully so you end up with the right plan for your needs. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft 365 plans page. This is where you can compare the available Microsoft 365 options before you buy. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the plans carefully. You'll usually see options like Microsoft 365 Basic, Personal, and Family. Each plan has different features, so if your main goal is getting Office apps plus cloud storage, it's important to choose the one that matches what you need. If you only need an individual plan, Microsoft 365 Personal is often the simplest option. If you want to share with more than one person, the family plan may be a better fit. And if you're mainly looking for storage and basic cloud access, the basic plan may also be worth checking. The key thing here is to compare what's included before clicking ahead, because the storage amount and app access can vary by plan. After you choose the plan you want, click Buy Now or Try Free, depending on the option available. If you're starting with a trial, that can be a good way to test the service before committing. If you're ready to subscribe, go ahead and continue with the purchase flow. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you use the same Microsoft account you want connected to OneDrive, because that is the account that will receive the storage upgrade. Once you're signed in, follow the prompts to complete the payment or trial setup. This is where Microsoft confirms your plan selection and activates the subscription on your account. If you're using a payment method, double-check the billing details before you finish. If you're using a free trial, just review the terms so you know when the trial ends and whether it auto-renews. After everything is confirmed, your subscription should be activated. Now here's the important part. Once the plan is active, your account will receive the included OneDrive storage, which may be 1 terabyte depending on the plan you selected. In many cases, this storage appears automatically after activation, so you don't need to do anything extra. But to verify it, go ahead and open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. Again, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account you use for the subscription. If you signed in with a different account, you won't see the upgraded storage. When OneDrive loads, check your storage status or account details. You should see the updated storage limit reflected in your account. If everything was set up correctly, your upgraded storage will appear automatically. At this point, you can start uploading files, syncing documents, and using the extra space for your work, school, or personal backup needs. This is also a great time to remember that Microsoft 365 subscriptions can include more than just OneDrive storage. Depending on the plan, you may also get access to Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, along with other cloud features. So if you're choosing between plans, think about whether you want storage only or the full productivity bundle. That way, you're getting the best value for your money. If you run into any issues, the most common thing to check is whether you use the correct Microsoft account. The subscription must be tied to the same account you use in OneDrive. Also, make sure the payment or trial setup actually completed, because the storage upgrade won't appear until the plan is fully active. If you still don't see it right away, give it a little time and refresh your account page, and that's it. You've now learned how to get Office 365 with 1 terabyte OneDrive storage and how to confirm that the storage has been added to your account. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to go and what to click. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.